Songdor Kapatisi TV. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Ukonrat ki sangma ubabat ya kakerdan kum Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Meghalaya ha ka khatar tarik unailar archapsan ula Leit ban ya Kynduh yaki Nongtrei ka National People's Party ha Mairang. Habakran ha kejialang kabalingkon ukonrat ula kentu yaki Nongtrei ka parti bakimdei ban pensngau ya ka jingsha kawang keti ka parti NPP ha ki weipat kiseng sain partai henrei dei ban kenmau haladi bangile ya ka babaha bat ngidon hangni ban syakri na kabenta ki pajba ke Jylla. Ulaong kaseng NPP kadai kaseng kabakdup lut ya baro ki pajba ke Jylla. Klem da nyo siliang yanu bat kadai kaseng kabasyakri bat burom ya baro ki pajba ke Jylla Meghalaya. Susu ulaong kumba ki pajba kila syania ha kaseng NPP ban yalam ya ka sorkar ha ke Jylla. Ukermen skem baki pajba kindang ailat biang ya kaseng NPP bakan yalam ya ka sorkar Jylla nangni syakmaru.
Will talk all nonsense things against us. Don't let it affect you. Remember in your heart that you are doing the right thing. We are not here for any personal gain. We are here to serve the people. We are here to serve our state. We are here to take our state forward. And with God's blessing, I assure you, we will. We will move forward as a state. We are moving forward even now. So many things today we have done. You must be seeing. It's not just Mairang area. Throughout the state today, NPP is a party that never will differentiate between different tribes and different people. Never. For us, all our people are the people of our state. We will serve everybody. We will respect everybody. We will take everybody along with us. That is the policy and the way our party works, and the principle on the basis of which our party works. And remember, without principle, there is no party, there is no organization, there is no politics. Principle is very important in life. And I told you my principle and our principle is to always keep people first. I request my friend Batskem and all the other leaders who are here to guide me. By God's blessing, we will build the party together. We will build Mairang constituency also, and together we will build our state. The people have trusted us and given us this mandate to take the state forward. I am sure that even in the coming years, in the coming term also, people will give the mandate to our party to take the state forward.
Wat penleno yakani kakabu ki sopti etho ki babha bat Songdor nadu sao po hajar hadu hnriu po hajar tingka menta phila banyo hagador lai po hajar tingka ya ki sopti etho ba Songdor hinyo po hajar chaneng phinyo tang san po hajar tingka tang kata ka wei ka sopti ka de ka wei ka design tang na ka benta jongphi wan jit nok loi na molai moro bat na mot pran pho no menta hau khandai sao lai hnriu san pra hinyo lai pra